What if the dirt inside your car is not just a mess, but something slowly stealing your comfort every single day? Today, we uncover the top 5 best handheld vacuum cleaner for car, and one of them might completely change how you think about quick cleaning. Stay with us till the end and check the links below if you find your match. Now let's move at number 5. We have the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster. There is something oddly frustrating about a car that looks clean from outside but feels constantly dusty once you sit inside. That everyday irritation is where the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster quietly steps in within this top handheld vacuum cleaner for car lineup. The first thing you notice is how natural it feels in hand. No setup stress, no learning curve, just grab and go energy. It is built for those quick in-between moments when crumbs appear out of nowhere and pet hair settles into fabric like it belongs there. The rotating slim nozzle becomes the real helper here, sliding into narrow spaces that usually collect the most ignored dirt. The crevice tool extends that reach between seats while the flip brush softens, cleaning on delicate surfaces. What makes it feel dependable is its cyclonic action that keeps suction steady instead of fading mid-clean. It is not meant for heavy, deep detailing, but for commuters and pet owners who want fast resets between drives. It keeps the cabin feeling consistently fresh compared to bulkier handheld alternatives that demand more effort and storage space. Coming up next at number 4 is the ONAVOT Car Vacuum. Some messes in your car do not shout. They settle quietly until the whole space feels less comfortable. That is where ONAVOT changes the tone of this top 5 handheld vacuum journey. The moment it starts, the 35000 PA hypersuction combined with a 15,000 RPM brushless motor creates a noticeably deeper pull on embedded dirt. It does not just clean surfaces, it works into the hidden layers of seats where sand, crumbs, and pet hair usually hide. Dual detachable batteries bring up to 60 minutes of runtime, which removes that constant worry of power cutting out mid-clean. The 350 milliliter dust cup also means fewer interruptions, letting you focus on full interior detailing instead of frequent emptying. At only 1.76 lbs, it stays easy on the hand even during longer sessions, while HEPA filtration helps keep the air inside the car noticeably cleaner. The included crevice tools and pet hair nozzle add flexibility for different mess types. Compared to entry-level handheld vacuums, it delivers a far more complete cleaning experience without feeling complicated or bulky. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the IYOFINE 80,000 RPM car cleaning. Is no longer about heavy machines, it is about smart power in your hand. That shift becomes obvious in this part of the top handheld vacuum cleaner for car ranking, where IYOFINE enters with a different kind of energy. Its 8,000 RPM brushless motor paired with 21,000 PA suction brings a strong balance of speed and control. When it touches tight seat gaps or stubborn debris, you can feel how quickly it reacts without hesitation. The 6000 mAh battery supports up to 40 minutes of runtime, while multiple power levels allow you to adjust based on mess intensity. What makes it stand out is its 4-in-1 versatility, working as a vacuum, air duster, inflator, and blower with multiple attachments. That flexibility makes it useful not just for cars, but also keyboards and outdoor gear, although for very heavy detailing sessions, accessory depth can feel slightly limited. Still, compared to lower suction handhelds in the 15,000 PA range, it clearly delivers faster cleanup and stronger debris control, making it a solid choice for users who want compact but powerful performance in daily use. Coming in at number 2 is BLACK+DECKER 20V. There is a certain comfort in trusting a familiar name when it comes to cleaning tools, especially for something used inside your car almost every week. BLACK+DECKER 20V fits into this top 5 best handheld vacuum cleaner for car list as the dependable everyday option. It runs on a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery that provides consistent suction rather than unpredictable bursts of power. The rotating slim nozzle becomes especially useful in real driving conditions, reaching into narrow spaces where dirt slowly builds up over time. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle during quick cleanups, while attachments like the pet hair tool and crevice extender help target different mess types without switching devices. The charging indicator also keeps usage simple and predictable. However, its shorter runtime of around 15 minutes can feel limiting during deeper cleaning sessions. Compared to high RPM cordless models, it does not chase extreme suction numbers, but instead focuses on stable, everyday performance. It is ideal for users who value reliability, brand trust, and simple operation over advanced complexity. Taking the top spot is Blestan Handheld. Every car has that moment where small dust turns into a constant background annoyance you stop noticing until you finally clean it. That is where Blestan earns its place in this top handheld vacuum cleaner for car ranking. With 9 kPa cyclonic suction and dual cleaning modes, it is designed for quick correction rather than heavy industrial cleaning. The 1.6 lb lightweight body makes it easy to move across seats, dashboards, and tight corners without fatigue setting in. The 12-ounce dustbin is surprisingly practical for daily use, reducing constant emptying during short cleaning sessions. LED lighting becomes a subtle but helpful detail, revealing dust hiding in darker areas of the car interior. With 2000 mAh battery support and over 30 minutes of runtime, it handles regular maintenance cleaning well, especially for commuters and light users. The washable HEPA filter also helps maintain airflow quality over time. Compared to stronger 20-volt or high RPM models, it does not chase maximum power, but instead focuses on convenience and portability, making it suitable for quick home and car cleaning routines. After testing performance, endurance, and real-world usability, ONAVOT Car Vacuum clearly takes the lead in this lineup. Its 35,000 PA suction is strong enough to lift deep embedded dirt that weaker handheld units like Blestan or dustbuster struggle with. The dual battery system with up to 60 minutes runtime solves one of the biggest frustrations in cordless cleaning: sudden power drop during full interior detailing. Add the large dust capacity and versatile attachments, and it becomes a tool that feels ready for both quick touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions. Even compared to others, it delivers stronger suction and more cordless freedom, which makes it more practical for complete car care routines. It is the one that brings balance between power, endurance, and usability without overcomplicating the experience. And that wraps up today's breakdown of the top 5 best handheld vacuum cleaner for car. Each option has its own strength depending on how you clean and what you expect from a compact vacuum. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. If this helped you decide, support the channel with a like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns. See you in the next one, where we make your next purchase a smarter one.